Law of attraction practices. The law of attraction has a remarkable impact on our lives, and only a few people are aware of its effects on daily life. The value of the law of attraction has been seen throughout history. Our subconscious mind is one of the essential tools to perform better in life. The term unconscious mind is associated with attractions. The below exercises are great ways to work with the law of attraction and harness the power of your subconscious mind. Be grateful. Practice gratitude by focusing on the good things in your life before going to bed. This positive energy attracts more positive experiences. Use the focus wheel. Create a focus wheel to shift your beliefs and behavior towards gratitude and positivity. Dream board. Create a visual representation of your goals using pictures and words on a board. Focus on your desired lifestyle and experiences. Visualizing goals. Spend 15 minutes each day visualizing your dreams and goals. Imagine the details and emotions associated with achieving them. Intention setting. Write down your daily plans and take necessary actions to bring your intentions to life. Affirmations. Use positive affirmations daily to reinforce your belief in the future you desire. Give the universe own task list. Let go of control and allow the universe to handle tasks. Surrender to the flow and trust in the process. Write a future you journal. Write about your future self and the life you envision for yourself. Be detailed and descriptive. List of 100 things. Make a list of 100 things you desire to attract into your life. Be specific and positive. Discovering the hidden positives. Look for hidden positive aspects in negative experiences. See them as opportunities for growth. Find out what you want. Clearly define your goals and desires so your subconscious mind can work towards manifesting them. Intention point. Focus on your intention point, the meeting ground between your mind and heart, to manifest your desires with greater energy. Make a wish list. Create a detailed list of the qualities and attributes you desire in a partner or specific aspects of your goals. Get rid of negativity. Surround yourself with positive and like-minded people who support your journey. Surround yourself with people who think the same way. Spend time with people who have similar goals and beliefs in the law of attraction. Do a random act of kindness. Spread positivity by performing random acts of kindness daily. Read more. Read books on the law of attraction and subjects related to your goals to stay motivated and gain knowledge. Meditate. Regular mindfulness meditation helps in finding inner peace and clarity. Venture out of your comfort zone. Embrace new experiences and travel to create new neural pathways and expand your mind. Practice free writing. Free writing helps to clear your mind and find solutions to daily problems. Remember that consistency is key when working with the law of attraction. Stay positive, believe in yourself, and be patient as the universe works to bring your desires into reality. Trust in the process and enjoy the journey. Thanks for watching this informative video. If you need any clarification, kindly contact our expertise through WhatsApp +91 904 888 3685.